Hello again, everybody. Bringing you another oil life reset. This one is on a 2011 GMC Yukon Denali 6.2, but I don't think that matters. The reset's similar on all of them. Chevys or GM products are pretty close to being the same. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the key in the ignition. You're going to click it twice. Don't start the car, just turn the car on. And then you're going to step on the gas pedal 5 times within 5 seconds, and that should reset everything. So here we go. 1, whoops, hang on. Too far. Okay, turn it on, gas pedal 4, 5 times, and that should have reset everything. Shut it off, turn it back on, and the oil light message is gone.